Latihan soal ujian nasional. Packet 2. Listening section. In this section of the test, you will have the chance to show how well you understand spoken English. There are 4 parts to this section, with particular directions for each part.
Part 1. Picture. Questions 1 to 3. Directions. There are 3 items in this part. For each item, you will see a picture and 5 short statements. The statements will be spoken twice. They will not be printed in your test paper, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers are saying. When you hear the 5 statements, look at the paper in your test paper and choose the statement that best describes what you see in the picture. Then, on your answer sheet, find the number of the question and mark your answer. Example: look at the picture and listen to the statements. You will hear A. The people are eating. B. The girl is holding a cup. C. The men are having dinner. D. The table is empty. Choice B, the girl is holding a cup, is the best answer to describe the picture. Therefore, you should mark B on your answer sheet. Now, let's begin with picture number 1.
Number 1. A. The woman is planting trees. B. The woman is watering the flower. C. The flowers are blooming. D. The garden is empty. E. The tree is in the vase.
Number 2. A. The men are loading goods into the truck. B. The box is inside the truck. C. The men are talking to each other. D. They are having a meeting. E. There are many boxes outside the truck.
Number 3. A. The man is in the yard. B. The man is feeding the cows. C. The cows are grazing. D. The cows are running to the man. E. The cows are in the zoo. Part 2. Questions and responses. Questions 4 to 7. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear several questions spoken in English, followed by 4 responses, also spoken in English. The questions and responses will be spoken twice. They will not be printed in your test paper, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers are saying. You have to choose the best response to each question or statement and mark it on your answer sheet. Now listen to a sample question. You will hear, "Would you like a starter?"
A. I'll have chef salad, please. B. Yes, I'd love it. C. I would like to start now. D. I don't like it.
Choice A, I'll have chef salad, please, is the appropriate response to the question, would you like a starter? Therefore, you should mark A on your answer sheet. Now, let's begin with question number 4.
Number 4. Do you like spicy food?
A. Yes, I would. B. Not very much. C. It looks like fish. D. Yes, I want to have spices. Number 5. Would you like a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
A. Yes, I do. B. Yes, at 7 o'clock, please. C. I woke up at 7 o'clock. D. Please call me for the meeting.
Number 6. Good morning, Christina. How are you?
A. Yes, I am. B. Steve's sister. C. Fine, thanks. D. I am a doctor.
Number 7. Did you go to the conference last week?
A. In Barcelona. B. It lasted 2 days. C. Last week I had it. D. I couldn't make it. Part 3. Short conversation. Questions 8 to 11. Directions. There are 4 items in this part of the test. For each item, you will hear a short conversation between 2 people. You will hear the conversation twice. They will not be printed in your test paper, so you must listen carefully to understand what the speakers are saying. In your test paper, you will read a question about each conversation. The question will be followed by 4 answers. You will have to choose the best answer to each question and mark it on your answer sheet. Example. You will hear,
Are you a student here?
Yes, sir.
Where is the English class?
Next to the laboratory. You will read, Where does the dialogue probably take place?
A. At the hospital.
B. At the station.
C. At the market.
D. In a school.
E. In the library.
Choice D, in a school, is the best answer to the question. Where does the dialogue probably take place? Therefore, you should mark D on your answer sheet. Now, let's begin with the question number 8.
Number 8. Good morning, sir. Have you got anything to declare? No. I'm only here on business for a few days. Then I guess you won't mind opening your case.
Number 9. Jeff, can you take me to the shopping mall?
I'm sorry, but I can't. My car broke down yesterday.
That's okay. I'll take the bus.
Number 10. When will dinner be served?
A few minutes after takeoff. But can I get you something to drink now?
That's very kind of you. I'd like a glass of water, please.
Number 11. What's the quickest way downtown?
Well, you can take the A38 bus, but if you really want to save time, take a taxi.
Okay, I'll do that. Thanks.
Part 4. Short Talk. Questions 12 to 15. Directions. In this part of the test, you will hear 2 short talks. Each will be spoken twice. They will not be printed in your test paper, so you must listen carefully to understand and remember what is being said. In your test paper, you will read 2 questions about each short talk. Each question will be followed by 4 answers. You have to choose the best answer to each question and mark it on your answer sheet. Let's begin to the following short talk.
Questions 12 to 13 are based on the dialogue below. Why don't we go to the movies tomorrow instead of watching TV all day?
All right. What kind of movie do you want to see?
There's a good comedy showing at the Odeon. Performances are at 4:15 and 8:30.
Okay, let's go to the evening show. Questions 14 to 15 are based on the announcement below.
And now, here's the weather forecast for the next 24 hours. It will be mainly dry and sunny, but rather cold in the morning, with temperatures below 0. You can expect some rain in the afternoon, so wrap up warm before leaving home today. This is the end of the listening section.